How to fix music not showing in Messenger notes in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your app store and then search here Messenger. Now again click on Messenger, and here you can check your Messenger updates. If it doesn't update to latest version of Messenger, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version of Messenger, then go back to your screen and your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Messenger. Now click on Messenger and then click on offload app. After offload your Messenger, then reinstall app. After reinstall it, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.